First, you need to find the closest fabric to your pants possible. After you inserted the fabric through the hole which was created by the previous button, just play with the fabric and it will just lay flat. Now find the closest color possible to your jeans. Then turn the stitch length down to number 1. And now you can start patching through the lines that I'm currently showing. After you are done with patching, try to put the button tag where the previous button was. When you are done with inserting the button tag, put a piece of fabric on the hard surface to prevent damaging the button, and please be very careful with the hammer. If you learn anything new, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.